What's good, YouTube? What's good? Welcome back to another video. Appreciate y'all for watching this video right here. So this video is going to be a little bit different, you guys. I'm going to just simply record what I'm doing throughout the day today. Today is actually Friday, September 15th. And as you guys can see here on the time, it is 12:17. So right now I'm cleaning up my little desk area and stuff like that, watching some YouTube here. And I'm just chilling, you know what I'm saying? I'm working from home right now. I have been this entire week and stuff like that, and I have been for the last few months. So I'm trying to, organize my life and just, just become more aware of like the business side of stuff and stuff like that, and just, document. I'm gonna just show you guys what's going on. Right now I have Edwin out on the field. I'll see if I can get some cool little videos that I can add into it here. But I am currently at home and he is out detailing a few cars for the day. So I'm just organizing, like I said here. I don't want to show you guys too much of the mess that I have going on, but I am organizing and stuff like that. My little desk area right here, because stuff is a little messy. So that's what we have going on today right now. Once I'm done this, I'll probably grab something to eat. Once I eat, I'll probably go work out because I haven't worked out yet. And what my morning consists of earlier today was just editing and finishing up a video that I had, while also just booking in new clients, getting back to people that reached out prior to me, last night or the day before that. Just trying to make sure that my schedule is, filled with people that I had commitment to prior to today. So now just go ahead and clean up my area, get back to you guys once we get done with this. So let's go. All right, you guys, so I just got done fixing up and cleaning up my little desk area right here, which is my office space. So I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. It was looking a little cluttered, a little misorganized, so we went ahead and made some changes. So I did have everything that is on the walls already. I just kind of rearranged it and stuff like that, and I'm kind of just messing with the setup. So I'm just trying to figure out what works best so I can continue to also work here and stuff like that, but also use it as a recording space as well, because I like to record. What you see, my tripod right there. Ignore everything else, but it's coming along. We're getting there. I have my little cable stash down there, and then I have my chargers, and then right here we just have like our little area right there. I'm gonna go ahead and write out some weekly goals and stuff like that on this whiteboard, and then we have our humble and hustle sign right there that lights up. We have our vision board, and then the whiteboard, which I'm gonna go ahead and put some papers for like bills and it's stuff like that I like to use it for. And then this is the year that I actually graduated, and I actually graduated from York High in York, Pennsylvania in 2015. So shout out to York High, the Bearcats. If you know, you know. But yeah, so these are the books and stuff like that I've read and I continue to read. We have our camera bag right there. We have a computer right here, which is a monitor we bought separate. And then we have our Apple. So you guys can see the difference on the quality of video based on how the camera is picking it up right there. So yeah, we have a quick little timer right here. I like to use this whenever I'm doing some website work or something like that. I'll probably just go ahead and just use this, press a timer, and just work till that comes off. So I had the timer for me to finish cleaning and recording and stuff like that, so I could head over to the gym. So I have 5 minutes to record and get ready, so I gotta get going. And then we have over here, we have our hustle sign right there. And I also have this button right here that lights up those lights that I like to use sometimes at night. When I turn off the lights, it kind of just gives it a nice little vibe, and you just chilling. And we have Luna, my pet pit bull. What's up, Luna? Say what's up. Nah, she don't want to be on camera. So like I said, the lights light up and stuff like that. I have a lot of stuff down here. I don't know what to do with all this stuff that's down there. I have some copy paper, some paperwork and stuff like that, and then I have these cabinets. So I'm thinking maybe I might even need another one of these over there somewhere to be able to even out and have that area just being completely empty and not filled up and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and head off to the gym. Alright, too. So we're in the gym now. We're gonna go ahead and jump on this Stairmaster right here. About 45 minutes on here. Gonna go ahead and go through blood, sweat, and tears while we watch some YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch a podcast while I do this, so I can kind of just forget about the time and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, and I'll catch you guys once we're done. do. So I'm about to sit here and eat my delicious meal prep. So this is not sponsored. I wish it was sponsored, but this is by Clean Eats. We have a location here in Richmond, Midlothian, and I think they're opening up a few more in the area. So again, that is Clean Eats, man. I love eating this food. I usually like to meal prep, but ever since I found out that they can meal prep for you, I've been just going there every week, buying meal preps and just filling up for the week. So that's what we have right here. Friendly macros. I think this is like 41 grams of protein or something like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy this and also watch a little bit of videos on YouTube while we import some of the videos that we have to edit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and enjoy my meal. I also wanted to go ahead and touch base on the question that I get asked a lot, and it's Mendez, how do you balance your work and your life balance? Now, work-life balance, I feel like doesn't really exist, especially if you are in business, right? When you are in business, your life is the business. Like, you have nothing to think about, nothing to do, nothing to, not saying that you have nothing, but I'm just saying like the only thought in your brain, in your head throughout the days, throughout the week, throughout the months is, hey, what can I do to better improve me and my business, right? So when you're a business owner, you're just thinking about business. You're just thinking about more money. How can I get more sales? How can we get more details? How can I get more employees? How can we cut back costs? You're thinking about everything business related. So I would never say there's a true balance. I would just say that you sometimes have to prioritize certain things over others. This morning I woke up at 6 and my detailer had texted me that he had some problems or whatever, that he was going to be running late in the morning. So me being me, I was like, okay, well, I need to prep the van, because once the guy actually gets to the house, I don't want him to waste 15-20 minutes getting the van ready. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sacrifice my morning routine, my morning workout, to go ahead and get the van ready for him, so that when he comes, he just has to leave because he was running late. So prime example, I had to prioritize getting the van over my workout. Now, yeah, I could have woken up earlier, but sometimes stuff like that just happens where you don't control everything. So in that moment, I had to prioritize the van, which is my business, over myself, over my workout. So that's why you guys saw me work out later in the day. Anyways, just prioritize stuff. If you want to go ahead and succeed, make sure you prioritize marketing in the beginning stages, and just make sure that you focus on getting as many cars, as many customers to your business as possible, because that's the only way that you'll be able to get money into your pockets, is if people know who you are and what you offer.